As a service manager, you understand the value of good service planning. Now, while a dealer management system has the vehicle history, creating a forecast becomes a challenge. And the bigger challenge is mapping pull factors, like insurance, EW, RSA, CSAT, and mapping it with the service forecast data. So here's an elegant solution that allows you to track your customer in under 10 seconds. So I simply go to the service forecast, I select the year and the month, and yes, I have the data in under 10 seconds. Now these fields right here can be customized to your needs and retrieve the data as you'd like. I now have the data available and I can filter it for paid service, loyalty points, people having a PSF score of greater than 9 or 10, finally determining their likelihood of visiting again. That's how a simple intelligence software can equip your business, increasing revenue and efficiency consistently. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day.